Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser or on INFINIX Zero 30. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to switch between devices, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And now your Firefox browser is installed and ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.